Well, hello everyone. This tutorial video is on adding numbers together. I have two sample problems here. We're going to do these together, talk about the keys for being successful with this. The first key is we want to make sure that the digits, like in the hundreds column, the tens, and the ones all line up on top of each other. That's the biggest mistake that I see kids make in 5th grade is they don't line them up properly. So we're going to do two problems together. And we'll just talk about a couple things along the way. So our first problem is 321 plus 477. Remember just what we said, that the 3 and the 4, which are 300 and 400, line up on top of each other. We need to make sure the placeholders are the same. Now we always start on the right hand side of the problem and then work our way to the left. The reason we do that is because if we have to carry, we can do that. So our first problem here, we have the 1 plus a 7, which is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 3 plus 4, which is 7, for 798. Now, the big thing that you need to do, and I'm going to put this all around, the big thing you got to do is you need to think, does my answer make sense? That's the first thing you need to do. Well, in this case, it's 300 and 400 and some. So 300 plus 400 is 700. So does my answer make sense? It does. If your answer was 600 and something, you'd say, whoa, that definitely doesn't make sense because 300 plus 400 is definitely 700. The second problem, we need to line up. So we look at our placeholders. So in the ones column, this is the 1 and the 9. So they're not going to line up from left to right. They'll line up from right to left. I typically put my first number down. It doesn't really matter which one. I like to put the bigger digit on top. Makes carrying easier. Plus 59. Okay. See how this placeholder lines up. When I write it, make sure they're lined up accurately. On some work that you guys did, I found that some students were putting like the 59 here. They were just kind of being careless. So what we have is we have 9 plus 1, or 1 plus 9, which is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1,540. And if I estimated, I said this is about 1,550, 1,550. Well, that's very close, so I know that my estimate is correct. I always do recommend to you that you go and you check your answers again. If you said, well, 9 plus 1 and you said 9, well, you probably multiplied, you didn't add. So make sure you check that symbol one more time and check your work. Thank you for watching.